Hello students, welcome to class 8 maths. Today we are going to see the continuation of exercise 4.4. Sixth question, A can do a piece of work in 12 hours. B and C can do it in 3 hours, whereas A and C can do it in 6 hours. How long will B alone take to do the same work? So if you see here, the work done by A, piece of work done by A in 12 hours. B and C together can complete the same work in 3 hours. A and C can complete in 6 hours. Here your question is, how long will B alone take to do the same work? So first you have to find for the 1 hours. Here A can complete a piece of work in 12 hours they given. Usually you have to take for 1 hours. A's 1 hour work is equal to 1 by 12. Then B and C's 1 hour work is equal to B and C is 1 by 3. And then A and C's 1 hour work is equal to 1 by 6. If you see here, they given A's 1 hour work is 1 by 12 and A and C 1 hour work is equal to 1 by 6. So in the place of A, you can substitute the value of 1 by 12. Therefore, A plus C together, if they work, 1 hour work is 1 by 6. Substitute the value of A in equation 1. Value of A is 1 by 12. Therefore, 1 by 12 plus C is equal to 1 by 6. Keep the C as it is and bring the 1 by 12 to your right hand side. If it is a plus, if you take to your right hand side, minus. Then as minus sign is in between, you have to take the LCM. LCM of 6 and 12 is 12. In 6 table, 12 is divisible by 2 times. That number you have to multiply with the numerator. And in 12 table, 1 time. Therefore, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 12. C's 1 hour work is equal to 1 by 12. Now using this value, you can able to find the B's 1 hour work, because together B and C together if they work, they can complete 1 hour work. They can complete in 1 by 3. So here they given B and C's 1 hour work is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, B plus C's 1 hour work is equal to 1 by 3. This is your equation 2. So, substitute the value of C in equation 2. B plus 1 by 12. Value of C 1 hour work is 1 by 12. is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, B equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 12. As minus sign in between, you have to take the LCM. The LCM for 3 and 12 is 12. In 3 table, 12 is divisible by 4. That you have to multiply with the numerator, and 12 table 1 time. Therefore, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 by 12. If you cancel, here 1 by 4. So, B's 1 hour work is 1 by 4. Therefore, B alone take 4 days to complete the work. Seventh question, A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days, while B and C can do it in 15 days. whereas A and C can do it in 20 days. How long would each take to do the same work? So the given here, the work done together by A and B is 12 days. You have to find for 1 days. Therefore, A plus B's 1 day work. Always you have to take for 1 day. If they can complete in 12 days means 1 day's work is equal to 1 by 12. And then B and C can do it in 15 days. They can complete the work in 15 days if they work together. Therefore, B plus C's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by 15. And whereas A and C can do it in 20 days. So, A plus C's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 20. They can come. This is your equation 1, 2 and 3. Now, add equation 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, A plus B plus B plus C plus A plus C is equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. If you see here, A plus A is 2A plus B plus B is 2B plus C plus C is 2C's. 1 day work is equal to, you have to take the LCM for 12, 15 and 20. In 3 table, 3 4s are 3 5s are 20 won't divisible, so write it as it is. Again in 4 table, 4 1s are, then 4 5s are, then with 5 table, so 3 into 4 into 5. 3 5s are 12, 12 5s are 60. The LCM for 12, 15 and 20 is 60. Next in 12 table, 60 is divisible by 5 times. So you have to multiply the 5 with the numerator. And in 15 table, 4 times, 20 table, 3 times. Therefore, 5 plus 4 plus 3, which is equal to 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 by 60. So here the 2 is common. So you can take the 2 as common. (12 by 60). So if you bring this 2 to your right hand side, 2 by 1, the reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. Therefore, into 2. In 2 table, 6 times, and then in 6 table, 10 times. Therefore, 1 by 10. Therefore, A plus B plus C's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 10. If they work together, they can complete the work in 1 by 10. That is 1 day's work is equal to 1 by 10. Now you have to find the A's 1 day work. A's 1 day work, how you will find it out? A plus B plus C's 1 day work minus B plus C's 1 day's work. So here A plus B plus C's 1 day's work is 1 by 10 minus B plus C's 1 day's work is B plus C is 1 day's work they given us 1 by 15. Therefore 1 by 15. The LCM for 10 and 15 is 30. So in 10 table 30 is divisible by 3 times. In 15 table 2 times. That you have to multiple with the numerator. 1 3s are 3 minus 2 1 2s are 2, which is equal to 1 by 30. So therefore A take 30 days to complete the work if we do the work alone. To find B's 1 day's work is equal to 1 day work is equal to A plus B plus C's 1 day work minus, you want to find out the B value. Therefore minus A plus C's 1 day's work. A plus B plus C's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by 10. Minus A plus C's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by 20. So if you take the LCM for 10 and 20, 10 and 20 is, 20 is your LCM. 10 table 2 times, so multiple with the 2, and in 20 table 1 time. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 20. B takes 20 days to complete the work. Then C is 1 day's work. 1 day work is equal to A plus B plus C is 1 day minus A plus B 1 day work. Here A plus B plus C's 1 day's work is 1 by 10, and A plus B's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 12. Then LCM for 10 and 12. 2 table 2 5s are 2 6 are. Therefore 2 5s are 10, 10 6 are 60. The LCM for 10 and 12 is 60. In 10 table 60 is divisible by 6 times. In 12 table 5 times. Therefore 6 minus 5 is equal to 1 by 60. So C takes 60 days to complete the work. Eighth question. A carpenter A takes 15 minutes to fit the parts of a chair, while carpenter B takes 3 minutes more than A to do the same work. Working together, how long will it take for them to fit the part for 22 chairs? So here time taken by A to fit a chair is 15 minutes. Therefore, A is 1 minute's work. If they given in minutes, you have to find out for 1 minute's work. If it is hours, means 1 hour work. If it is days, means 1 day's work. Therefore, A's 1 minute's work is equal to 1 minute work is equal to 1 by 15. And B's 1 minute work. B's 1 minute work is, while carpenter B takes 3 minutes more than A. That is, B is equal to 3 minutes more than A means 15 plus 3 is equal to 18 minutes. So to fit the part of the chair, B takes 18 minutes. Therefore, B's 1 minute work is equal to 1 by 18. Working together, how long will it take for them? So if they work together, together means you have to add. Therefore, A plus B's 1 minute work is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 18. If you take the LCM for 15 and 18 in 3 table, 3 5s are 3 6 are. So 3 5s are 15, 15 into 6. The LCM for 15 and 18 is 3 into 5 is 15, 15 into 6 is 90. Therefore, in 15 table, 19 is 6 times. 15 is in 15 table, 19 is divisible by 6 times. Therefore, 1 into 6 is 6. And in 18 table, 5 times, which is equal to 11 by 90. Time taken by A and B to fit the chair is equal to 1 by 11 by 90. If you take the reciprocal, that is 90 by 11 minutes. Therefore, time taken by A and B to fit 22 chairs is equal to 90 by 11 into 22. 11 table 2 times. 9 twos are 18 and then 0. So 180 minutes. If you convert this minutes into hour, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, 180 minutes is equal to dash hours. That is cross multiple 180 divided by 60, which is equal to 3 hours. Ninth question. A can do a work in 45 days. He works at it for 15 days. He works at it for 15 days and then B alone finished the remaining work in 24 days. Find the time taken to complete 80% of the work if they work together. So here they given a work. A can do a work in 45 days. So you have to find out one day work. A's 1 day work. Always 1 day work is 1 by A. That is 1 by 45. But here the A can work only for 15 days. Therefore, A's 15 days work is equal to 15 into 1 by 45. If you cancel in 15 table 3 times, that is 1 by 3. Therefore, the remaining work, always you have to calculate for 1. 1 minus 1 by 3. The LCM for 1 and 3 is 3. Therefore, into 3 into 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 by 3. The remaining work is 2 by 3. B alone can complete the work in complete the remaining work, that is 2 by 3 in 24 days. Therefore, B completes the whole work in 24 by 2 by 3, which is equal to 24 into 3 by 2, 36 days. B's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 36. If they work together, that is A plus B together, if they work together, one by 45 by 1 by 36. So the LCM for 45 and 36. In 3 table, 3 15s are 3 12s are. And again in 3 table, 3 5s are 3 4s are. 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. 45 into 4 is 180. T is divisible by 45 by 4 times. And then in 36, 5 times. So in 180 is divisible by 45 4 times, and in 36 5 times. Therefore 4 plus 5 is equal to 9 by 180. If you cancel here, 120. 1 by 20, which is equal to 20 days. So if they work together, they can complete in 20 days. Then the next question is 80%. If find the time taken to complete 80% of the work. Therefore 80% of the work will be completed in percentage, means by 100. 80 by 100 into 20. 0 0 0 0 cancel, which is equal to 16 days. Therefore the 80% of the work can be completed in 16 days. 10th sum, do as a homework. We'll move to the fill in the blanks. A can finish the job in 3 days, whereas B finished it in 6 days. The time taken to complete the job working together is dash. So here the A's 1 day's work is 1 by 3. A's 1 day work. And B's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by 6. If they work together, that is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. The LCM for 3 and 6 is 6. In 3 table 2 times, and in 6 table 1 time. Therefore 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 by 6. If you cancel here, 1 by 3. Your answer is, 1 by 2. Your answer is 2 days. Say, therefore the time taken to complete the job working together is 2 days. If a 5% can do 5 jobs in 5 days, then 50% can do 50 jobs in dash days. So here person, jobs, days. 5% can do 5 jobs in 5 days. 50% can do 50 jobs in x days. Therefore unknown value is x. You have to compare person and jobs with day. So first jobs and days. Here 5%, 5 to 50 it is increase. 5 jobs can do in 5 days means 50 jobs can do in 50 days. That is the number of days will be increase. Therefore direct variation. Here also job is also increases. Days also increase. Therefore direct variation. Direct variation means you have to take the multiplication factors as a reciprocal, that is 15 by 5. And next one, if you compare person and days, 5 to 50 it is increases. 5% 5 days means 50 persons are working. Therefore the number of days will be less. Here person more, days less. More and less means inverse variation. Therefore inverse variation you can write as it is a multiplication factor 5 by 15. Therefore 50 by 5 into 5 by 50 into 5. 5 and 5 cancel, 50 and 50 cancels, 5 days. So if 5% can do 5 jobs in 5 days means then 50% can do 50 jobs in 5 days. Your answer is 5. A can do a work in 24 days. If A and B together finish the work in 6 days, then B alone can finish the work in dash days. So you have to, A can do a work in 24 days. Therefore, A's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by 24. And A plus B together. Therefore, A plus B's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 6. Ask you to find only the work done by the B alone. B alone means A plus B is equal to, here the value of A plus B together work is 1 by 6, 1 day's work. Substitute the value of A in the place of A. The value of A's 1 day's work is 1 by 24. Therefore, 1 by 24 plus B is equal to 1 by 6. Therefore, B is equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 by 24. The LCM for 6 and 24 is 24. In 6 table, 24 is divisible by 6 by 4 times, and in 4 table by 1 time. Therefore, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 by 24. If you cancel here, 1 by 8. Therefore, B alone can finish the work in 8 days. A alone can do a piece of work in 35 days. If B is 40% more efficient than A, then B will finish the work in dash days. So, A alone can finish the work in 35 days. Therefore, A's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 35. B is 40% more efficient than A. Therefore, B's 1 day work is equal to 1 by A 1 plus 40%, which is equal to 1 by A value they given as 1 by 35. 1 plus 40% means 40 by 100. So if you take the LCM 100 plus 40 is 140, 0 0 cancel. 2 table 2 sevens are, 2 5s are, in 7 table 5 times, which is equal to 1 by 25. Therefore, B can complete the work in 25 days. Your answer is 25. Fifth question, A alone can do a work in 10 days and B alone can do it in 15 days. They undertook the work job for rupees 2 lakhs. The amount that A will get is dash. So here A alone can do the work in 10 days, B is 15 days. The total amount for the work they given is 2 lakhs. So they ask you to find out the amount that A will get in. So you have to take the ratio, because the ratio in which they share the money is equal to the ratio of their work done per day. Therefore, A's 1 day's work is 1 by 10 is to B is 1 by 15. If you take the LCM is 30. In 10 table 3 times and in 15 table 2 times. Therefore, 3 by 30 is to 2 by 15, which is equal to 3 is to 2. Then total part is equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Here they ask A's share. A is equal to, ratio is 3 by total part is 5 and amount is 2 lakhs. So if you cancel here, 5 ones are 5 fours are. Then 3 fours are 12 and 4 zeros. So 1,20,000 is the amount A will get.